If you need to join a Calendly meeting as the host, this video will walk you through it step by step in a simple and practical way. Now, one important thing to understand right away is that Calendly itself is not the place where the meeting is hosted. Calendly is the scheduling tool, while the actual meeting happens on a connected platform like Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. So if you've ever opened Calendly and wondered where the host button is, this guide is going to clear that up fast. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account using the account that manages the meeting or the calendar connection. This is important because you want to make sure you're signed in with the right host account, especially if you're managing multiple calendars or team events. Once you're inside Calendly, look for the meeting section. This is where your scheduled events and upcoming meeting details are organized, so click on Meetings to continue. Now you'll see a list of meetings. Select the meeting you want to host. If you have several events scheduled, take a moment to make sure you choose the correct one, because the join link and conferencing details will be tied to that specific meeting. After opening the meeting, look for the join button. In many cases, this is the fastest way to enter the call as the host. If you don't see a direct join button, don't worry. You may also see the meeting link connected to the event, such as Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. Click that link to open the hosted meeting in the correct platform. This is the actual place where the meeting runs, so once it opens, you'll be able to join as the host from there. If your meeting is connected to Zoom, for example, Calendly will take you to the Zoom meeting room. If it's Google Meet, it will open the Meet link. And if it's Microsoft Teams, it will launch the Teams meeting. In every case, Calendly is just the bridge that gets you there. That means the host experience depends on the conferencing app that was connected when the event was created. If you run into issues joining, double check that you're signed into the correct conferencing account and that the meeting link is active. Also, make sure you're the organizer or host for that meeting. If you're using a team calendar, some events may be routed through another user's conferencing setup, so it's always a good idea to confirm the account and event details before the meeting starts. Once the meeting opens, you can begin hosting as usual, just like you would in Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams. From there, you can manage participants, start the call, and lead the session. So the key thing to remember is this. To join a Calendly meeting as the host, you log into Calendly, open meetings, select the event, and use the join button or connected meeting link to enter the conferencing platform. And that's it. You now know exactly how to join a Calendly meeting as the host without confusion. If this video made things easier, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.